Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to change default apps in Windows 10. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. Now to change default apps, first of all go to Start and over here select this settings. And over here you'll find bunch of options. Now go to Apps. And on the left you'll find this default apps. Click on this and over here you can find many options to change the default apps. Now if you want to change email, just click on this mail and you can choose any one from here. Now for maps you can do the same. For music player, just click over here and you can choose any one from here. Now I'll choose this group music and you can see my default music player is changed. Now in this way we can change this photo viewer, video player as well as web browser. For web browser you can select any one which you want from here. I'll leave it to Google Chrome. You can also see here reset to Microsoft recommended defaults. You can just click on this and reset this all default apps to the Microsoft recommended. In this way, we can change default apps in Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.